Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
I'm going to show you.
I'm not going to waste any time here. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of this ham base into a half a pan of water and get it up to a rapid boil. I'll throw a bay leaf in here and a shaker of minced onion. While this is starting to boil, I'm going to preheat the oven to 375. Then I take a pound of bacon and lay out some parchment paper on a baking tray and get the bacon out on there. About this time the oven is preheated and in goes the bacon. I'm going to set the timer for about 20 minutes for the bacon. Meanwhile, I'll cut up some green beans and I'm going to rinse them in cold water. And drain them. I'm going to go ahead and pour them in right away and get them cooking. Meantime, while the green beans are on boil, I go ahead and get some potatoes ready here. I get them peeled and quartered. Then I rinse them in cold water. And drain those. Meanwhile, the bacon is done. So I pull the bacon out of the oven and I'm going to cut that up into bite-sized pieces. And get those poured in here with the green beans. I'll stir that up a little bit. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the potatoes. Give them a quick stir. I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes. On a rapid boil, I stir it a couple of times. And then, after 20 minutes, it's ready to eat. So I'm going to get a plate and try some of this bean and bacon soup.
Okay, so here I am, putting my butter on and tasting it and oohing and ahhing, and I didn't even have the camera on. So now the camera's on. So I'll take another bite. I mashed up my taters and got some butter on here. Wow, that's some good stuff. I tell you, this is really good if you grow your own green beans. In the end of the summer, when we go to the farmer's market, and they have some good green beans there too. But if you can grow your own, that's the best. So, a little butter and pepper is all I put on here. There's enough salt from the bacon. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.